Jumatano hwaine atongoria dini ya aithĩramu bũrũri-inĩ manyitĩte ũgeni mũnini wa Raila Odinga Martha Karua ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya irio cia hwainĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi. Atongoria acio magĩkũngũĩra kwamũrwo gwa Karua gũtuĩka mũnini wa Odinga ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya Azimio, makiuga wĩrutĩri wake mĩhang'o-inĩ ya bũrũri nĩkuo gwatũmire amũrwo gũtuĩka mũnini wa Odinga.
She stood out as a champion for human rights, for good governance, for the rule of law, and for inclusion of women in leadership and in decision making.
So you want your work done, give it to her. You want trust, give it to her. You want somebody to listen to you, give it to her. If you want the nonsense, don't give it to her. Please, don't even try it.
And I can tell you without any doubt that there is no better candidate right now on any ticket as a running mate for these current elections. Bar none. Absolutely.
Maugite bũrũri ũrĩ moko-inĩ ma Karua na Odinga marĩ na ũma ihoto cia Kenya nĩ igathingatwo.
Raila Amolo Odinga amezunguka akisema hatafuti wafuasi, atafuta washirika. Sisi tushafanya ushirika na yeye.
We appreciate your commitments to the principles of justice, good governance and respect of human rights. We are particularly grateful for your commitment to the principle of equality and equity.
Na sisi tuna hope kubwa sana kwamba mama na baba watachaguliwa.
Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga is equally a very highly trusted person. He has been in the trenches all his life. He is the only one that I remember ever who takes positions that are different from the cabinet positions on issues that touch Muslims and the general marginalized communities.
Atongoria ya makĩrĩra kĩama kĩa Azimio atĩ magatigĩrĩra kura ciothe cia aithĩramu bũrũri-inĩ nĩ cia Odinga.
With that, we have taken a decision that we are going to support Martha with everything we can.
So I want to urge all of you to support Honorable Martha Karua.
It's my view that Mheshimiwa Karua and Right Honorable Prime Minister represent the change that we are looking for in this country.
Nake Karua akimacokeria ngatho nĩ gĩtĩo kĩu.
And indeed we are all imperfect, and all we are required to do is to strive to do our best when called upon.
Augĩte atĩ thirikari ya Azimio rungu rwa Odinga ndĩkamatirika na ikarũgama nao na Akenya othe.
So that the Azimio team can get an opportunity together with you and the rest of Kenyans to build this nation to the sort of nation we would want to see, where nobody starves, where nobody suffers for lack of shelter, a nation that is built on the principles a family is built upon.
Riu akimoria ona Akenya arĩa angĩ magathura Odinga na njĩra nene nĩguo gũtikana korwo na macira na ciũria cia ũhotani wa Odinga nĩguo marike wĩra-inĩ orĩo.
So that we can lay to rest the ghost of disputed elections. If we get an overwhelming vote, then that matter gets sorted out the way we had sorted it out in 2002 when we elected Mwai Kibaki overwhelmingly as a nation.
Gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ namba ya etĩkia a dini ya aithĩramu nĩ milioni 5,600,000 kũringana na riboti ya rũhonge rwa ndari bũrũri-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.